Hey, what's up everyone? Today I've actually made a project I can do to make the lift buttons light up. So, I've actually bought some LED lights from Kmart. So, to make this work you need to have like this all around them. And maybe like something like to cover the outside with, like maybe a blanket or something. There we go. So, without any further ado, I'm going to show you. So, to turn them on, you have to have AAA batteries in there, and to turn them on, you click the on button and watch this. Yeah, it literally lights up. The alarm button doesn't work, so ding, 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 ding. And you can also change color, so you can change it to red, like that's red. You can change it to green. Now it's green. Now blue, and the white, which isn't that white. It isn't that white. You can also change it to various different colors. So you can test them all out. So. And to click, and the flash button, what it does when you click the flash button, that's what it does. And that turns the flash off. Strobe that's what the strobe does. It literally turns itself back off. And the fade, that's what it does. It fades all of it. And to turn it off, you just click the white button. And to smooth it, you click the smooth button. And that's what it does. Now to turn the whole thing off, you got to click the black off button. That's how you turn them off. So that's it. That's a very cool project I made. So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more. I'll see you on the next one.